Okay, here's the back of the stereo. So my reverse camera is one of these cables. So let's see. From the truck side, I've got the reverse camera, the speakers, antenna, USB plug, and I guess the steering wheel controls goes to these adapters because there's nothing in there. And then obviously the microphone is a separate cable. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connections on the truck. There's 6 over here. USB, speakers, steering wheel controls, camera, and antenna. So hopefully that answers some people, but there's all the settings I used on the steering wheel controls. Goes into that little cable, goes into a mess of wires, goes into just one little audio jack. But there's the wires I used. There's the wires I used there. Looks like it's only like 4 wires, 2 grounds. And yeah, like I said before, I didn't cut any wires. There's no extra wires. I depinned any wires I didn't need. Yeah, there's just like even on this antenna connector comes with like a blue wire or something. Got rid of that, don't need it. Here's the audio, just the speakers and power. And the ground is also in here too. So there's no ground wires connected, no extra ground stuff. It all grounds to the plug now. So just the camera, stock harness, USB, factory USB plug, factory antenna, and that's it really. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I plugged the microphone into there. So is that 5 plugs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seems like every time I count them, I count differently. So 5 plugs between the truck and this, and there's no ground. Hope that helps. Alright, so here's the antenna I was telling you about. This is the, not antenna, it's the microphone, the aftermarket microphone. Never did use the, God, where was it? Where's the factory microphone? Oh, I think it's behind this, behind my garage door openers. I think there's 2 little holes up here somewhere. Lost it now. Anyways, if you want to remove this thing, there's 4 screws. 2 of them are hidden underneath the lower console. So you have to remove the 2 screws from the back. The cup tray, there's another screw in there. So there's 3 on the rear console. The front console, just pop this off. And there's 2 screws on the front, 2 screws on the sides. You gotta remove 1 screw to this side to bend it out of the way. And remove the lower glove box, all those screws. And there's 2 screws at the front of this thing, of the front console. And that's the one that goes between them. But yeah, I just stuck in that airbag thing, so I had to take this out again. I couldn't remember how to do it because I took it out years ago to put this in and to run the cable to this, that aftermarket cable that connects this to aftermarket radios. So I've taken this thing out twice now, and I always forget how to do it. So now I just gotta put that thing back in. There it goes. I don't think I can hold the camera to do this. Okay, all these wires. I shoved everything out of the way. There we go. So that's the radio stuff. It's 4 connectors. Did I use that little one? I think this one was left unplugged, but I don't know. These are the 4 to the actual heater airbags. Go down and low. Oh man. That's the airbag. These heater controls are the funnest. Push them in and twist. There's another heater control. pushing in a twist. Okay, I'm missing one connector. Where's the... Is that this one over here? No. Whatever that is, the airbag light, or I think this is the hazard. That must be the airbag light. Oh, is it this one? Okay, all the lowers are done. Now to do the radio. So we'll do the USB. Done. Do the audio. That ain't the, oh, that's the reverse camera. Big old fat plug for the reverse camera. The audio cables. And this is the antenna. Where's the antenna going? What a mess. The only thing left is the antenna. Oh, let me do the, God, I forget where this was now. I think the microphone was just upper right. Oh, why there's so many audio jacks. Okay, where's the antenna going? That'll be in this bundle somewhere. I shoved everything out of the way while I was working. And the airbags. Oh, there it is right there, looking at me in the face. Oh wow, what the hell is that? Oh, that's the satellite thing, I think. Which I think that's the XM radio connector. Which I don't care about anymore. I don't have XM anymore. Okay. Everything's plugged in. Whew. Stupid microphone wires get in the way. You get pinched, buddy. Of course, it doesn't want to go on. 42,000 wires in the way. Try not to force it. I don't want to squish anything, but looks like I'm squishing something because the clip is not lining up down there. Something's in the way. Come back off. Stupid antenna wire or microphone wire. Oh, there we go. That wasn't too bad. I don't know if you saw that, but now I just got to put in the 3 screws. And it'll be done. Should probably start the truck and make sure it works before I do all that. And I will trigger the airbag, but I can clear that with my computer because I did turn on the truck while it unplugged because I forgot which wire was hot on this stupid plug. So I did have the truck turned to accessory for a minute. I also wanted to test my little airbags. So that's the first time I've ever filmed myself putting that back in. Hope that helps somebody. So this is how you remove the stereo. There's 3 screws up there on the top. I don't know if you can see them. Super easy to get to. Just pop off that cover. Turn off.